Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over a super basic VST, stock VST, called Plucked. So Plucked is a VST that's supposed to sound like a string instrument, hence the name Plucked. It uses Car plus B modeling to achieve the sound. It's like a mathematical formula or algorithm. Now we've got 3 buttons here and 2 knobs. I'll start with the knobs. We've got a decay and a color knob. So as you might have guessed, the decay controls the decay of the sound, which is the D on an ADSR envelope, and the color controls the sound of the tone from dark to bright. Now onto the buttons, we've got normalize, gate, and widen. Normalize will make the sound no matter what note you play, like C5, C4, D3, the decay will be the same. Gate will make the tone stop as soon as you stop it, as opposed to leaving a tail. And finally, the widen button adds some stereo separation to the sound. So that's about it for Plucked. You can come to this presets and randomize, get some cool different sounds, but it's very basic. If you want a quick pluck, you're just playing around with something. This is pretty easy, very light on the CPU, but other than that, there's not much use for it, to be honest. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.